Rohit, well played today. What's the pitch like? Good opening stand once again.
Yeah, I mean, it was important for us to get off to a good start after looking at a couple of overs. We thought, the ball was coming on nicely. We took our chances after a couple of overs, and then, we wanted to hit straight down the ground as much as possible because, it's kind of skiddy, the wicket. So we thought using our straight bat, hitting in the straight direction will be a good option.
Yes, you took your chances. That clock was ticking when that review was being taken. You waited and went up.
Yeah, the only thing I was worried about the pitching in line or not, because I thought it hit around the knee roll and it was a knuckle ball, so I knew there was not enough bounce on the pitch. It was always hitting the stump, but it was I took my chance whether it was pitching in line or not, and it came off.
You're a good pair there. You and Ryan batting at the top, but he's a dangerous player, isn't he? Ryan Rickelton. He looks good for a big one.
Yeah, I mean, works really hard on his game, understands his game really well, picks his areas, understand which bowler to hit where. Those are the plannings, those are the talks we have in the middle, and if he continues to bat like that, it augurs very well for us. Like we've seen in the previous games as well, him batting the way he bats, get always nice for us to get off to that start that we look for.
Rohit, as a leader, someone who just spoke to Ravi there about how good the service is. We saw this Royals team chase down 209 with a special innings the other night. What would be the word to the bowling group here to try to come out and be at their best?
Look, I mean, it's very important for us to understand the pitch and try and use the variation, not just be predictable in what we do. We got to use the pitch. I know there's one side short and the other side is quite big. So we got to try and use that longer boundary. Although I was not in the bowlers meeting to discuss at length about what we need to do, but looking at how the setup is, the guys are pretty experienced, in what they do, and they understand, what is expected out of them as well. So hopefully we can defend that target. It's a very good score. Hopefully, try and get a couple of wickets in the power play. That is always important. Once we get that, then we can put some brakes on, their batting.
But Rohit, when a batting unit has hit its straps, that partnership between Hardik and Surya, Tilak has also got runs when needed. As an opening pair, when you're batting, how much of a difference that makes? Does it allow you to go a little quicker than normal with your chances being taken?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, if you look at our batting lineup, a lot of these guys haven't batted for a few games now. Tilak especially hasn't batted. Naman, who finishes off game really well, hasn't batted a lot. It gives us that, confidence at the top to just go and bat freely and take our chances. Sometimes it will come off. Most often than not, it has come off for us, knowing that we've got a very strong middle order and then the lower order as well. If you look at the last game, how Corbin Bosch and Naman batted, those 30-40 runs in the end made a difference. So knowing all of these things, it definitely, gives us that confidence to take that extra bit of chance at the top of the order.
I'll keep entertaining. Well played today, Rohit.
Thank you.